Hey, what's going on, guys? Today's video I'm going to be discussing a battery issue that we're having on the MX500. This is the exact same potential issue on the MX650 as well, which I have over there. My MX500 will not take a charge, meaning that after it has been left on the charger all night for about 12 hours, I flip the switch, and obviously I have it open right here. I'll get to that in just a second here. I flip the switch and it's still saying low. And on my charger, the green LED indicator on the charger, which I have right over there, stays green. It doesn't flip red and then comes back over to green when it is charged. So what's happening in this scenario is the batteries are bad. They tend to go bad. It's a known issue with lead acid batteries, unfortunately. And so each bike, the MX500 and the MX650, have 3 batteries. They're 12 volts each, 3 of them, 12, 24, 36. That's where you get 36 volts. And let me go ahead and show you inside real quickly here. So inside we have 1 on the top and we have 2 on the bottom side by side right there. They're connected with fuses that are inside the small black compartments here. Now, if you really want to get nitty gritty and you know what you're doing, go ahead and test the fuses. There's another one right there. I believe there is 3 total, but most likely you're gonna need replacement batteries. And they're not cheap, unfortunately. They're a little bit pricey. I'm gonna go ahead and link in the description box below ones that I recommend. I'm going to be doing the swap out. I will have that full video up, but I just want to diagnose your problem that when you do turn it on and you do see the LED indicator still low after at least 12 hours of charge, 8 to 12 hours, you actually hear a click. So the controller is clicking, it just is not enough juice to turn it over. Now, if you really know what you're doing, potentially it could be only 1 bad battery, it could be 2 bad batteries, but you're gonna have to take a multi-tester and get a different kind of charger, charge each battery up individually, and then see what kind of drainage it looks like or see if it's taking a charge. If you know what you're doing, that's the cheapest option to do. But if you rather just get it over with and not deal with this later down the road, then get the 3-pack. And again, it's listed in the description box below. The link is there for you guys in the UK as well. I'll have you guys linked down below. And again, I will have that full video up, how to pull off your seat, how to pull off the side panels, how to get to the batteries, replace the batteries, and have your bike up and running in no time, to let you know what the problem is and how to move forward from there. You guys have a great one. Smash the thumbs up button, subscribe for that next video, how to completely pull it apart, put the new ones back in. I'll see you guys on the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.